Om appears in the ancient spiritual text, the Vedas and Upanishads. It's called the primordial song, El Sonido Primordial, the vibration that existed even before the universe began. It wasn't just spoken, it was felt from within. Om is made up of three sacred sounds A, U, and M. A means the beginning, U means the continuation, M means the ending, and then the silence that follows, that still space where peace lives. So when we chant Om, we are not just making a sound, we are tuning into creation itself, the breath of the universe echoing inside us. So I want you all to close your eyes, take a slow breath in, and as you exhale, let the sound of Om rise gently. Feel the vibration in your chest, your throat, and in your head. Let it melt into the silence. Let it bring you back to yourself. It don't have to be perfect, you just have to try. Even chanting once is enough. It matters just as much as 1,000 times. Don't believe in gods and magic or even spirituality. Just believe in yourself because peace doesn't come from outside, it comes from within.